Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab, if you're new. Today in the lab, we're going to be doing a video a little bit different. I've done a few of these here on my channel. Some of you seem to like hair reviews, and that's what this video is all about. This one, I did not even have to wear a long time, so I'm just giving you my thorough, honest review, immediate, because I just want to give you that thought before you go ahead and spend your coins. So, this is a hair first impressions review type of video, my thoughts and things like that. So if you're into hair videos, give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It definitely helps me out. And if you want to see what my thoughts are on this particular hair, then keep on watching. So right now I have in this half up, half down style, and I love doing this style. It's super cute, super easy if I'm in between styles and trying to figure out what I want to do with my hair. So this particular hair is the LuLuTress deep wave in the inch 18 inches. And this is a full pack. It was $5.99 at my local beauty supply store. The wave is super cute. That's what made me get this curl pattern. But I will say, off my initial thoughts, I've had this in for literally 3 days, going on 3 days. I've mentioned before that I wanted to do a half up, half down look using my actual natural hair color so that I can see if there's a big difference with trying to blend the hair with my hair and all that jazz. So if you haven't seen that, my first half up, half down video, definitely check that out. It'll be up in the cards. But this one I wanted to try a different hair, different brand. And again, this is the LuLuTress. I have it in the shade 1B. And I purchased 6 packs. They were $5.99 each. I'll have all of this in the description box below. I only used 5 packs for this hair. So this is a full-on 1 pack left. So let me tell you what's going on here. The back is crochet cornrow down. If you guys can see here. I don't even want to show you back because I'm going to show you why I have this twisted up. So this is what the curl looks like. Super cute. Super cute curl. I would definitely buy this for a ponytail. My initial thoughts of the hair is, oh my gosh, it's super soft. The curl is super wavy and really bouncy. So it's super soft. However, there is going to be a lot of maintenance to this hair, I can tell just off of the bat, because when I initially put this hair in 2 nights ago, it tangled up so bad with me even installing the hair. And then the knots are not as tight because the hair is super soft, so it's not friction on it yet to cause it to stay looped. I've looped each piece at least 3 to 4 times, and it still is sliding out because it's so soft. So that's the one con I don't like about the hair. 2, it tangled super fast. When it was time for me to rake my hands through, there was a lot of hair that came out, which is typical when you're doing a crochet. But I will say it's going to be high maintenance. So as you see here, I have a twist. So what I had to do, so that this won't tangle up and get messy, so that I can at least let this style last for 2 weeks until I figure out my next style, I had to twist it, adding a little bit of water to my hand, adding some Lottie Body mousse, and a little bit of my Cantu conditioner towards the end when I got to twisting it. So this right here is causing the hair to last pretty nice and keeping the curls bouncy. I took 2 of them out. I have 4 of these twists in the back. 2 of them are still left. And that's what this is here. And then at the top, I was struggling when I got to the top. When I got to the top, I could not figure out a way to hide my bun or hide my hair. So there is a video here on YouTube. This girl was really helpful. I can't remember her name right now, but if I find her video, I'll link it in the description box as well. But she used a Kanekalon piece of hair and cornrowed it or braided it and then wrapped it around. And that kind of disguises somebody looking at your bun if you're not able to, manage hiding your bun. So a little bit of my bun still shows, but the rest of this is crocheted on, as you can see here. Look right here. See, I have to do that a lot of times and rake my hands throughout the day. But you see the knot is not as tight, so I have to do that a few times. But this technique of putting a braid here has definitely helped this style out, because I was so frustrated because I'm still trying to figure out a way to do a half up, half down style without having to glue it. But I feel like that's going to have to be the next method, using the bundled hair or a hair that's on a weft. But I do like the curl pattern. I do like that it is soft. And I do like that what I noticed is that once I did it like this and added a little bit of product, the curl seems to be a lot more manageable. But I will say, when you're trying this hair out for the first time, don't get frustrated, because girl, she was a little hard to work with in the beginning, but as you can see, it looks really good. I'm really happy that I was able to finish the look. Finding that video really helped me out. But girlfriend, do what you have to do when it comes to this look, because it was difficult for me. These half up, half down styles are so cute and they should be simple, but this made it simple by adding that braid. I just happen to have some connect line hair sitting up in my stash. Girl, comment down below if you got a hair stash, a hair bag with different hairs in it. Yes, I had to go in that bag and I found some connect line hair, but yes. So that is what I was saying. It's a little bit frizzy too. You have to keep that in mind. You have to rake your hands through. And like when this happens, I just cut this part off. I don't have time to keep raking it. I would say that this is definitely a high maintenance hair. So if you're not into doing the twisting every night, putting mousse or water or some type of moisturizer on the hair, then this is probably not the hair for you, because this is a high maintenance hair. This is again the LuLuTress deep wave in the shade, in the 18-inch, in the number 1B, and it wasn't pre-looped. They are sectioned off so you can put them in your hair easily. However, those sections were really small to me compared to other sectioned off hair. But I just wanted to quickly share with you guys this hairstyle and the type of hair. I wanted to talk about this hair more so than the actual like how to install it. Like I said, the back is cornrowed. The back is cornrowed straight down, and then the top is just pulled up in a ponytail in the bun. And I crocheted the back, and the rest is crocheted in the bun and then hanging down. But nevertheless, the hair is really nice. It's super soft, super cute, and just those few things about high maintenance. I am not one for high maintenance type of hair. I like to just have it, the curls, and like fluff it out and keep it moving. But I feel like this one I'm gonna have to keep doing a lot to it. So comment down below if you tried the LuLuTress deep wave. Let me know your thoughts on it. Let me know if you've experienced the same thing. And yeah, until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.